Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a turn-in yo-yo. Now, knowing how to do a yo-yo already would be really helpful, so there's a link in that in the description below. So if you want to go back and cover that again, or just refresh your memory, it's going to be easy to find. But without further ado, turn-in yo-yo looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break it down. Starts off man's right, lady's right, starts exactly like a standard yo-yo. So we go back 1, in across the chest, 2. This is where it changes. Instead of doing a standard yo-yo, at this point we're going to go high with the right hand. So the lady is going to get to turn and there's nothing going to be stopping her. So she's going to continue past us and backwards. So we're going to have to keep up, and then on the second rotation we actually lead the yo-yo. Now a lot of ladies will naturally block on your hip at the point you try and stop them, so they're actually going to use your frame to help themselves stop. They don't have to do that, but it actually works quite well and it feels quite good. And then it just finishes like a standard yo-yo. So we bring the lady forwards, we get the standard double L shape into the turn and face, return and back, and of course all the options you've got as to who changes positions that you can have in a standard yo-yo will work in this yo-yo as well, so it can give you 4 slightly different exits. Okay, so let's do the same thing from the other side and give you numbers all the way through. So we go back 1, across the chest, 2, turning, 3, yo-yoing, 4, flat 5, turn 6, face 7, return 8 and back 1. So let's try it together to a count. So basically, standard yo-yo, one turn on the way in, you'll need a little bit of extra space behind you. Okay, so it goes like this. 5, 6, turn in, yo-yo. It's a back, in, turn, stop, flat, turn, look, return, and back. And that is that. Hope you enjoy it. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move. Subscribing helps promote the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, so you're never going to miss anything, which is good. Don't forget, if you do hit the notification bell, to turn notifications on in your settings. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay. Music recommendation on the end. One of the winners that comes up. It's something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.